welcome to my channel. In this video, I am excited to show you a technique that I first saw on the Mixed Media Girl channel. If you haven't seen her videos, I'll link her channel in the description below. I purchased this tumbler turner on Amazon.com, and I purchased a glass vase at the dollar store. I am adding some resin to the glass vase with my hand, and I'm just making sure all of the surface of the glass is covered with the resin. I am using art resin, and I mixed up 2 ounces, which seems to be plenty for this project. Now that I have the resin covered on the surface, I am going to take my heat gun and just warm up the resin. I will go a full rotation of the vase, and then I'll start adding my colors. I am using some alcohol inks by Pinata. I am using the black, the dark purple, a pink, and then a metallic silver. I am slowly dotting the ink all over the vase. I am not doing any particular pattern. I am just filling the spaces and seeing how the color moves as the vase turns. I liked the idea of a lot of silver towards the top, and I think I got a little carried away with the silver. As the vase turns, the colors move and change. And because I warmed up the resin to help release the air bubbles, it also helps the colors move. This technique is so much fun and a little bit addicting. And what I really love about this is once the vase is cured, then the vase is ready to go. It's already sealed and ready to give as a gift. I am loving how this vase is turning out so far. The alcohol inks will keep the colors transparent and give the vase an elegant look. Now I am adding some heat to make sure the air bubbles are released and to help the colors blend a little bit more. I've added enough color, and I'll go ahead and leave this turning for 12 hours to make sure the resin is cured and hard. After that, I will transfer it to a cup upside down and let it sit another 24 hours. I'd want to make sure that there are no fingerprints and that it has time to fully cure.